morning! No matter where you are in your sales career, you are undoubtedly trying to get to the next level. If you just started out, you're the Tasmanian devil and you're spinning around calling on everybody and saying everything and trying to find your market and trying to find your message. But for the rest of us, unless you are about to retire or in a coma, well, that's kind of the same thing, then you are trying to get to that next level. Let me give you 3 ideas. Number 1, you need to become a student of time management. See, it's really simple. We get so much time during the day. If we're going to grow our sales, we have to learn to sell more in less time. And that's about efficiency and productivity and things like that. The second thing I recommend you do is to study what others who have come before you have done. Literally, what have they done to get where they're going? Ask the question, what's your story? How did you get to where you're at? Some will have an answer and some won't, but get their opinion. Here's mine, by the way. I think if you improve the quality of your call, and I think if you can really hone in on your target message, target market, then the rest of it comes down to 3 things. Make the calls, make the calls, make the calls. It's a lot of just repetition. The third piece that I want you to look at is to study your existing base of business. This is where the work is going to come from. So for your larger accounts, you want to become a subject matter expert. These are the groups, these are the clients and maybe the vertical markets that are going to get you there. So you need to do the best you can to get to know everybody within those accounts, get to know their business, get out ahead of them. So there's a starting point and some ideas. So 3 quick questions basically is, how do I sell more in less time? What have others done? And where do I start? I hope that helps. Have a great selling week, everyone. Check out the Sales Vault workshops, and I'll talk to you next week.